Raphael Mendes, the owner, and our mission is simple: transform houses into homes.
Based in Naugatuck, Connecticut, Agile Construction specializes in remodeling, house flips, and new construction projects, with a focus on craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. Raphael began his professional journey with a degree in computer science, but his true passion emerged when he discovered the world of finished carpentry. The fulfillment he found in working with his hands and creating beautiful, functional spaces led him to switch careers and pursue construction full-time. Our company is committed to providing exceptional results in a timely manner, making homeowners' visions a reality. Whether you're planning a major renovation, a custom build, or a home flip, we're here to make your vision come to life.
If you're ready to start your new project, trust Agile Construction to bring your vision to life. We are here to make your renovation experience seamless and rewarding.